In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Stripe Express account in just a few easy steps. So let's dive right in and get this set up together. First things first, you'll need to head over to stripe.com. You can do this by typing Stripe in your browser search bar and hitting enter. Once you land on the Stripe homepage, you'll notice the familiar Stripe logo, and just to its right, you'll see the sign in option in the top menu. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the sign in page where you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Here, you should enter your email address and password that you previously registered with Stripe. It's important to always ensure that your information is secure, so make sure nobody's peeking over your shoulder while entering this info. Once you've filled in your email and password, click the sign in button. If everything checks out, you'll be directed to your Stripe dashboard. Here, you'll find a range of options and data, but today, our focus is to set up your Express account. To get going, click on the home menu, often at the top left of your dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look towards the bottom or side menu and you should find a settings option. Clicking on settings will open up various options you can customize for your account. Under the product settings section, you'll find a connect option. This is what we're after, so go ahead and click on connect. Now, Connect is a critical feature that enables you to handle payments and transactions more efficiently, especially for businesses and platforms dealing with a variety of financial interactions. Upon entering the Connect settings, you should see something that says Onboarding Options. This is where you'll determine how different features are set up for users joining your platform. Click on the Onboarding Options to proceed further. Here, you'll need to select the country in which your Stripe account will operate. This is crucial because Stripe services and charges may vary based on the region, so pick the one that matches your business operations. After selecting your country, you should see some boxes that need to be ticked. These boxes represent various features and consents required for a proper account setup. Make sure you read each one carefully and tick the ones applicable to your setup. Once all the relevant boxes are ticked and you're confident with your selections, simply click the Save button to finalize your setup. This will secure all your settings and complete the creation of your Stripe Express account. And there you have it. Your Stripe Express account is now up and running, ready to streamline your payment processes. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your existing setup, Stripe's Express account is a powerful tool to have. Thanks for following along and happy transacting.